All right, guys, today we are reviewing an ultra cool robot.
Well, it's a vacuum.
Robot vacuum.
All right, so what we're talking about today is the EcoVacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni robotic vacuum mop. That's a mouthful. But this guy has got a ton of technology in it, which makes it one of the most efficient and effective robotic vacuum mops on the market. And let me tell you guys, it's got a ton of cool features which could make your life a lot easier. So let me tell you why this product cleans so well. So first of all, notice it's got a roller. Now, a lot of the other robotic vacuum mops actually have dual discs. And what you're doing there is you're kind of just spreading around the dirty water and debris all around your floor. You don't want to do that. This roller actually cleans itself in real time. So even after it cleans a spill, it cleans itself and then can move forward with a clean roller. It's also got something called an adaptive edge. And this part of the roller actually pops out so that you can get more effective cleaning along those edges and corners, which can be more difficult with other products. It's also got really strong suction. In fact, it's some of the strongest suction available in a robotic vac mop on the market. And finally, and this is really cool, it's got something called zero tangle technology. Now, I've got long hair. Maybe you have a pet hair issue in your house, but whatever the case, we've all spent time cutting out hair and cleaning our vacuums. You're not going to have to do that with this because it has something that actually cuts up the hair so that you don't have to deal with that type of mess in your vacuum.
So this is the point where I take over because it's testing time. I'm going to show you how to set this unit up, and then I'm going to show you how some of these cool features actually work.
The Ozmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop actually uses the same technology as Taneco's patented constant pressure water renewal. The mop uses ultra-high contact pressure and rolling speed and is cleaned continuously in real time. In our tests, it did well mopping along the edge, cleaning up dirty footprints, and even mopping up a big mustard spill. With the True Edge 2.0 adaptive edge cleaning technology, the roller mop extends along the edges and the side brush automatically extends at internal corners. This gives you better coverage when vacuuming and mopping along edges and in corners. With the True Edge 2.0 adaptive edge cleaning, the AI camera detects and recognizes all types of objects and cleans closely around them. You can see it easily navigate around chair legs as well as around several obstacles. This vacuum has really strong suction power. PA is an abbreviation for Pascal, which is the unit used to measure suction power. This vacuum comes in at an impressive 18,000 PA. Now, to give you an idea, this is more than double the suction power of the robotic vacuum that we owned prior to this one. We used a sugar spill to demonstrate vacuuming dust and smaller debris, and the Cheerios test here demonstrates how it can handle some larger debris as well. In this test, we used floss to demonstrate how the zero tangle technology would handle human hair or pet hair. There are V-shaped structures that actively untangle hairs from the main brush. Look at the clear brush. Impressive.
All right, guys, simple wrap up today. Basically, my wife is happy, which means I'm happy. Now, if you want to find out more information about this vacuum mop, there's a link below in the description. Also, make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And when you're done with that, don't go anywhere because there's a great video right there.